Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? If you are wondering why we are dressed like this, it's because we are back in Europe. Right now we are in Athens, Greece, and we arrived yesterday, but we had to do something before we were able to go to our apartment, our Airbnb. So when we arrived, we went to a grocery shop, we ate, we were like really tired after the 12-hour flight, so we just went straight to bed. And right now it's 6 a.m. and we are just trying to catch the sunrise.
I'm having my apples. I can finally have apples. Life cannot get any better. Wondering why we're walking on a highway? Well, next to the highway. Because we're staying at this Airbnb about 30 minutes out of the Athens center in a really super cute kind of outside Athens little village town. I got really like suburbs out of the big city. Amazingly cute. The only thing that I have is really nice houses, up and down mountains, super big parks where you can exercise, run and just walk your dog, and plenty of cafes where they serve freshly brewed coffee and fresh pastries. Guys, I mean, I say it a lot, but I think it cannot get better than this. Fresh pastries and me and Chris, and life's beautiful now. Haven't run for 8 months. The whole time we spent in Asia because it's too freaking hot there to do any exercise at all. Guys, good to be back for a change.
Random location to fly drone? Check. I'm so excited. We're not able to fly this thing in Pompeii for about 5 days and we're just like sitting there with our drone, not flying it. It sucks, right?
You can never walk alone on your way to being free. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? But you can never walk alone.
You can never walk alone on your way to being free.
Where are you? But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. Where are you? Where are you? But you can never walk alone on your way to being free.
Flying the drone in the sunrise? Check. Me pretending I'm working out really hard? Check. Next stop, pastries and coffee.
Where are you? But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. Where are you? But you can never walk alone on your way to being free.
Guys, this is the happiest I've ever been, you know? If you're a father or a mother and your child is born, it's probably the same happiness as me saying this much bread. Oh my god. Guys, do you know what Ferrero Rocher is? Like the French chocolate, right? With hazelnuts, the milk chocolate,
Love.
and love. But
Kindness.
kindness, some magic, and the beautiful mousse filling. Well, this is the thing, just huge. It was 90 cents in this local bakery from the most awesome people, like the Greek people we met. I mean, we could just spend hours in the bakery, they're so sweet. So good. Oh my god, so good. And I can't have it, yo. It's like, it's so high in fat, definitely. It's so bad for my heart. So tasty.
So let's talk about our plan here in Greece.
Wait. Another time. Another time. Tips. How to order coffee in Greece. The same as Italy. If you're gonna order espresso, you're gonna get this much coffee. If you're gonna
If
order...
you're just gonna say a black coffee, it will mean like espresso, like a small shot of espresso.
If you're gonna order Americano, they will look weird at you and like, dude, what's Americano? But the people are so nice, they explain us all the coffees. We've been to Italy and we've had this already, but it was like 1.5 years ago. So now it's like really, really funny. So now we got a coffee with 1.5 doses of extra water, which is almost Americano, just like 1/2 the size of Americano. Does it make sense? After 8 months in Asia yesterday, I arrived here in Greece. A direct flight from Singapore, 11 hours just of total joy. So I arrived in Greece yesterday. We're gonna stay in this small kind of a village in Athens, just a little bit outside, half an hour outside of Athens. And we're gonna do some work for the next week, hopefully. But for example, yesterday we didn't do anything at all. I mean, zero, nada, total nothing.
We ate cheese.
We ate cheese and ate bread and drank wine though.
Do you like bread?
I guess, guys, you know, there could be one single most important thing, the most nutritious food that you had to choose to eat for your whole life. It would be bread.